Hi, my name's Sasha and I'm here at Sevil Smile Studio in Antalya. I've travelled here from Manchester in the UK. I arrived on Saturday and I was greeted by one of the drivers at Sevil. He picked me up and took me to my hotel, which was in Antalya city centre. I then got collected on Monday by another driver who brought me to the clinic right here. I walked in, it was beautiful. It was clean, it was fresh, it was vibrant. I got greeted by a couple of the receptionists who were absolutely fantastic. They offered me a drink and a cake, which I took. And then I was introduced to the dental surgeon who was doing all my work. He sat me down, we went through the consultation, what I wanted to gain from the experience, how I wanted to change my smile. I had an open bite, therefore he had to make a few changes. He explained what would happen with my teeth, how it would happen, the timescale that it would take, what I would experience, and then when everything was happy and when I was happy, I signed off to say that I was happy with everything and we started my treatment that afternoon. The treatment was quick, but it was efficient. They checked everything, then they checked it again. I had the technician in the room with me just to double check everything. They then gave me a chance to go outside to speak to any family members that I wanted to speak to before I made the decision to change my smile. It is a massive, massive decision, but they're with you every step of the way. You don't have to do anything on your own. There's always guidance. The people in the reception, I met a few girls that I was really happy with. I got some numbers and WhatsApps to be able to speak to people when I went back to my hotel, so it was fantastic. They also have an outdoor area at the Antalya clinic where there is a grass area, there's seating, so you can still catch the sun and enjoy your holiday while you're waiting for things to happen. I finished my smile makeover today. I had 16 veneers, that's 8 on the top and 8 on the bottom, and it has completely rejuvenated my smile. I'm now coming to the end of my treatment. I've been given my mouth guard by the dental nurse. I am so happy with everything from start to finish, and I could not recommend Sevil Smile Clinic anymore.